Hi, my name is Bonnie, and today I'm going to go over patellofemoral taping of the knee. Here for Alexa because she is having knee pain with rising after prolonged sitting and going downstairs. So we're going to see if we can tape her knee and then do aggressive strengthening so eventually her knee pain will be completely gone. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to mark her knee. We already have our marks there. We're going to just make sure that we can see them. So we're going to mark her knee, and then I'm going to use Hypofix, which is hyperallergenic, so that way she doesn't have an allergic reaction to her to the tape. So most of the tape, you're going to mark the knee so you can use it as a marker. So the bottom of the tape will go right underneath your bottom marker. Most of the tape is going to be medially, which is the direction that we're going to pull the kneecap. So once that's in place, then we can start with the taping. The first strip of tape, we're going to lift the inferior pull of the kneecap, and we're going to bring the kneecap over medially. So this is how we do it. So you're going to push down really hard to get the crease across the top of the kneecap. Lay the outside strip down, pull, and secure. So you're going to clear it, make sure it was correct by making sure that you can feel that inferior pull and the kneecap shift it medially. You're going to reinforce it so that the tape doesn't come off during the exercise session. So once again, you're going to push down really hard, secure the outside of the tape on the lateral side, and pull over medially. You're going to get creases across the inside, which tells us that we have secured it tightly and it'll hold. The second strip, you're going to have to watch where you place it because we don't want to go too low because we don't want to counteract the inferior pull. So what we're going to do is we're going to double up so the top of the tape goes where your crease is. And then all you're going to do is you're going to pull down tightly and secure. And this will even out our two, the medial border and the lateral border, and we're still good with our inferior pull. All we're going to do is we're going to enforce this once again just over the exact same tape we placed so it doesn't come off during her aggressive strengthening session. Now Alexa is now ready to do aggressive strengthening, which would be squats, lunges, and any other exercises that we can think of to really strengthen her quad. And hopefully in a few sessions, we don't need the tape anymore because she has strengthened her quad enough that she doesn't need the tape and no longer has knee pain.